This is the battery drain test of Samsung Galaxy S21 Fe versus S20 Fe. In another perspective, you can see this video as One UI 6 versus One UI 5.1. I charged these two mobiles up to 100%. Let's see how much it drops based on the different usage patterns. First, I'm playing a YouTube video for some minutes because most of the users use the mobile to watch multimedia. These two mobiles comes with a Snapdragon processor. S21 Fe comes with Snapdragon 888, whereas S20 Fe comes with a Snapdragon 865 processor. Coming to the battery capacity, both mobiles comes with the same. It's 4500 mAh, and even the charging speeds are also same. Also guys, I need one help from you. If in case you think this video is useful and helpful, don't forget to click the like button because YouTube push this video to more people like you. And also subscribe for this channel to get more tech videos, and it motivates me also to make more videos like this. Thank you so much in advance. After 22 minutes of continuous video playback, the battery values are these. S21 Fe is at 95% and S20 Fe is at 94%. Now let's run the CPU throttling app for 20 minutes. By the way, I connected to the same Wi-Fi network on these two mobiles and I turned on the flight mode. Even the brightness of the screen is same. I'm using this S20 Fe mobile for more than 2 years now. You can see how good the battery backup. The Snapdragon processor in S20 Fe is a 7nm build, whereas it is 5nm build in S21 Fe. According to the specifications of these two processors, you can see slightly improvement in battery efficiency in Snapdragon 888 processor. After 20 minutes of CPU throttling app, these are the battery percentages. S21 Fe at 87% and S20 Fe at 84%. Now I'm going to run the CPU benchmark on both these mobiles so you can observe the scores as well. I recently uploaded the camera and gaming review of Samsung Galaxy S21 Fe mobile. If in case you want to know more about these mobiles, check the video link in the description box or at the end of this video. After using the Samsung S21 Fe mobile for some weeks, I felt it's good and some improvements than S20 Fe. Alright, the scores are here. Coming to the battery percentage, S21 Fe is at 84%, whereas S20 Fe at 82%. We crossed the 55 minutes mark also. I'm going to install the 3D Mark app to test some more in these two mobiles. After downloading the app, I did the stress test on these two mobiles. These tests are useful to know more about the efficiency of the mobile and processor. Especially, these are useful to get an idea how the processor handles the games. So many of you guys are having still doubt whether you can buy this S21 Fe or not in this year. Because even now also people are facing a lot of heating issues in this mobile. If anyone saying S21 Fe is heating up, the first question you need to ask is, what is the processor, whether it is Exynos or Snapdragon? Because Exynos processors are heating during the normal usage also. Samsung made it the same mistake like S20 Fe. First they released the Exynos variant, after some months they released the Snapdragon variant due to heating issues. The same thing happened for S21 Fe also. So there are no heating issues in this Snapdragon model. I used it and I'm sharing my genuine review. Yes, it is warming up if you play games, but it's not overheating. Now we are close to 1 hour 30 minutes mark. Here are the battery percentage and values. S21 Fe at 74% and S20 Fe at 69%. Now I'm going to use the Instagram for some more minutes and we finalize the result. Finally, we completed the 1 hour 30 minutes mark. So here are the battery percentages. S20 Fe is at 68% and S21 Fe at 73%. Here is the simple math to calculate what is the screen on time for complete 100% battery usage if we use this like the same like in this test. We run the test for 1 hour 30 minutes. If we convert it into minutes, it's 90 minutes. Now S20 Fe is at 73%. If we minus it from 100%, it's 27%. That means for 90 minutes, it consumed 27% of battery. Now the same for the S20 Fe. It consumed 32% for 90 minutes. If we divide 90 minutes with battery percentage, we get some minutes of time for each percentage of battery. So 90 divided by 27 is equals to 3.3 minutes approximate. This is for S21 Fe. Now for S20 Fe, it's 2.8 minutes approximate. Finally, we are going to multiply this value with 100 because the battery maximum value is 100%. So 100 multiplied by 3.3 is equals to 330 minutes. This is for S21 Fe. If we divide this value with 60, we get the hours. It's 5.5 hours approximate. For S20 FE, it's 280 minutes, which is equals to 4.6 hours approximate. So here are the final and overall screen on time for these two mobiles. S20 FE gives you in between 4 to 6 hours of screen on time, whereas S21 FE gives you 5 to 7 hours of screen on time. Also note that screen on time and standby time are totally different. If standby time increases, the screen on time decreases, and it's vice versa. Also, the battery backup depends on types of apps you use and type of environment. It changes from person to person. That's why some people are getting good battery backup, some doesn't. If you use your mobile in indoor conditions most of the time, then you will get a good battery backup rather than the person who is using it in outdoor conditions. That's the battery draining test of S21 FE and S20 FE, or else One UI 6 versus One UI 5.1 guys. If you think this video is useful for you, please make sure to like this video and also subscribe this channel for more tech related videos and reviews.